Hey, what's up YouTube? On this video we have a W211 EIS, and this is off of a 2005 E500, and we need to do all keys lost. Now there's no key for it. We're going to do this with the Key Tool Plus using the solderless adapters. So what we need for this, need a T15 to get the EIS open, screwdriver to get it open, and we've got our Key Tool Plus, our solderless adapter for this EIS, and the DB15 cable, and you also need the multi-function adapter, it's called. There's the model number on it. If you want to pause and take a look at that, you need this as well. And that's actually this piece right here. It just lets you plug the adapter into the Key Tool Plus. And first thing that we're going to do is get the EIS open, so we can take 2 screws out with our T15. And we'll just pop it open. Alright, so I've got it open. And now we need to go ahead and put it in the solderless adapter. Alright, so we got it seated in there. You kind of look at the bottom of it, and you can make sure the pins are lining up on pads. And then we'll go ahead and we'll get it actually plugged in to the Key Tool Plus. Got our DB15 cable that comes with the Key Tool Plus. And then we'll plug it into the adapter. And then into the tablet here. Alright, and now we're all connected. I'm going to go ahead and go to prog and emo, bends, and then we've got to just find the adapter that we're using, and this is the 211 ST12. So we're just going to look for that. There it is right there, and we're using adapter. Then we're going to go ahead and read the EPROM. It just tells make sure it's connected. This pops up every time, no matter what. So we'll just hit continue, and it's actually read our data. And this is actually a customer's car here, so I need to go ahead and name it so I can find it later. And now that that is read and saved, we're going to hit home, and from here we'll go to emo, bends. And just select from system. I just want to actually prepare a key file. And hit prepare key file. And it's going to have us just load the EPROM that we just saved. And so we need to back out of this. We need to go to actually pad prog. And then into our folder. There's our file that we just saved. And we'll open that up. And you'll see it's got our password, everything that we need in it. And then from here we're going to hit yes. And it puts the password in for us. Hit OK. Doing a half a smart key, we'll hit OK again. Now we need to go ahead and actually save it. And we'll just save it right here is fine. OK. And that's just preparing the key files here. Alright, completed. And now we're going to go ahead and back out of here. We're going to go to read write key. And we want to read or write a key via IR. And we do want to just write a key. We need to load a file. And we'll find the file that we just made. Should be right here. And now this actually just tells us here, it's got all the key files 1 through 8, and it shows which ones are used and which ones are not. It's just only 1 and 2 are used, so we'll just do key 3. And it tells us just to insert the key into the tablet here, so we'll slide it in. And we'll hit OK. And that's just going to go ahead and write key 3. And it's successful, and this is not a smart key, so we should actually be done. We don't need to worry about any of this either. I'm just going to hit OK. And now I'm just going to go ahead and get the EIS out of the adapter here. Like so. And I'm going to just put it back in the case here. And I'm going to go ahead and actually plug it into my Wexy platform. We can actually get the Key Tool Plus out of the way. We're done with that. So we've got our Wexy bench platform here. And I'm going to go ahead and plug it in like so. And we get power here. Got it on test. Now what we want to look for here is there's a red light on the key. And when I put the key in, that red light should come on. And if it accepts it, then that red light should actually turn off. So see if we can zoom in a hair here. And we'll keep an eye on that key. Red light's on. I don't know if you guys can see it or not on camera here, but it is on and it's not turning off. So what we'll do is we'll take the key out and then we'll insert it back in. And the red light should go off. Now the red light went off here. Click. That's the lock releasing. And now the key is programmed. Key works. So this is job done. EIS just needs to go back in the vehicle. And all finished up here. So these solderless adapters here are very simple, really fast way to get a password on these older ones. And really don't much have anything else to really add on this. If you guys have any questions or comments, you can put them in the comments. And until next time, we will talk to everybody later.